Entrepreneurship is a process of creating a new business and taking any of its risks with a view of making the profit. The person who creates a new enterprise and takes any challenges for the company's development, operations, new team member recruitment, and works through the company's business model, mission, and vision, this individual is an entrepreneur. Hello, my name is Gwen Mdinaradze. I'm the founder and CEO of Speakers Alliance Canada, an international speaking and consulting company. In this lecture series, you will get a deep understanding about entrepreneurship, PDC Formula, which stands for Plan, Disrupt, Communicate, Disruptive and Sustaining Innovation, Psychological Safety, Team Management, Women in Business, and more. There are two different types of entrepreneurship: small, medium enterprise entrepreneurship and innovation-driven entrepreneurship. This group unites small, medium, and large companies who are standing locally. There's no need to global, or they don't want to reach the fifth level of the business stages. Those stages are existence, survival, success, takeoff, and maturity. Their focus is a local market, so they are not looking for globalization. These type of companies are spa salons, hairdressers, small boutiques, dry cleaners, a local restaurant, or a local grocery store. These type of companies are growing gradually as well as their growth rate goes up gradually. So there's no tremendous amount of the cash flow out of that businesses. The other type of entrepreneurship is an innovation-driven entrepreneurship that includes scalable startup entrepreneurship, buyer, researcher, and social entrepreneurship. Innovation-driven entrepreneurs are looking for global markets to serve. The dynamics of these type of businesses look like this. At the beginning, the company loses its money and becomes cash flow negative. So it requires some capital be put into it, but then if it works, it will take off because of the company's innovative business model and unlimited markets. Another reason is that these type of businesses are not focused on the small local markets, but way more broader and larger global markets. Scalable startup entrepreneurship is when the founder believes that his or her company, the business model in general, the idea that drives the company can change the world. These type of businesses started in Silicon Valley and are technology focused. Examples of the scalable startups are Amazon, Uber, Facebook, and Instagram. Buyers are entrepreneurs who use their wealth to fuel their business ventures. They buy businesses and believe in themselves that they will be successful. After the purchase, they make managerial and structural changes they feel are necessary in order to reach desired goals. So their goal, as all other entrepreneurs' goals, is to grow their company and expand their profits. Researcher entrepreneurs are professionals who do significant research before they establish the company and go to the market. They want to make sure that they understand every aspect of their business and have an in-depth understanding of what they are doing. They have time to really well get to know their competitors, their market, and create disruptive business model and set their goals, mission, and vision. People who want to solve social problems with their products and services are social entrepreneurs. Their main goal is to make the world a better place. I work with the startup companies and experienced medium and large organizations who want to disrupt existing markets and create sustaining and disruptive innovation in their companies. As a business consultant, I used PDC Formula that stands for Plan, Disrupt, Communicate in order to reach desired goals. In my formula, plan includes proper planning and value proposition. Disrupt includes disruptive business model, and C stands for communication. This includes psychological safety and external communication. My company's mission is to share knowledge every single day worldwide, and our slogan is sharing knowledge to succeed.